Welcome back, everybody, to another fun pie iron cooking video. Today I'm going to make a grilled cheese sandwich with bacon, because everything's better with bacon. So let me oil up my iron real quick. Got a nice hot fire over there today. Let's go ahead and put it on this one. I can never find... there it is. I was going to say, for these individually wrapped slices of cheese, I always have a hard time finding the seam. Alright. This is pre-cooked bacon, so we're all good there. If it wasn't pre-cooked, you'd have to pre-cook it before you put it in here, because this does not get hot enough to cook the bacon properly. Okay. Let's go put this on the fire, shall we? Alright, we're going to put that on there for a minute each side and take a look. Okay, let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks about perfect. Alright, let's get it plated. There we go. A little bit well done on that side, but as hot as that fire is, I could probably do about 45 seconds each side and it would have come out better. I'm going to let this cool a little bit, and then I'll bring you back and we'll take a taste test. Let's take a look. Oh man, that does look good, doesn't it? Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, I'm going to take a bite. Yeah, the bacon adds just enough saltiness to it. That's about perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try to make another one, but we're gonna cut the amount of time on there. We're gonna do like 40 seconds or 45 seconds, one or the other. I haven't made up my mind, and we will go from there. Okay, 40 seconds. Let's see what it looks like on a good hot fire. It's browned. Could probably go on for a few more seconds. Go ahead and put this back on. And I'm just going to keep the camera rolling here. And I'm going to flip that here in just a few seconds. So it looks like 40 seconds is too little, and a minute gets it really dark. So there's got to be a happy medium in there, and I think that should be enough. Let's take a look. Yeah, see, that's golden browned. I'm gonna go ahead and plate that. So we got it plated up. It's hot. So I'm gonna have to let that cool, and I'll bring you back. We'll slice it open, see what it looks like, and take a bite. It has cooled off. It's still warm, but it's not hot. Let's see what we got. The cheese is all melted. The bacon looks delicious. I mean, look at that. Let's take a bite. I can feel my arteries hardening. It was quite delicious. Well, I'm going to go ahead and finish this. And thank you for watching. I will see you all later. Maybe at another cooking video, because I'm definitely not done with this pie iron yet. So I will see y'all later.